Jasmy's price increased over 160% in 1 week. But how high will Jasmy go in the bull market? In this video, I will talk about Jasmy and share my price prediction for the bull run. I will share my long and short-term analysis and potential price targets for the bull run and potential buy zones. So let's go straight into the content. Jasmy is on place 105 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $700 million. The coin is right now extremely bullish, but the coin is existent since 2021 and since then the chart was looking really bad. But if we're having a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a really high market cap right now in comparison to the prices there. And as you can see, the circulating supply is nearly 100%. So now nearly 100% of the crypto coins of Jasmy are in circulating supply. So if more money flows into JasmyCoin and the market cap increases, the price will automatically also going to the upside. And if you're looking on the weekly chart, you can see that we have this longer bearish downtrend. And right now we have the first really bullish sign from JasmyCoin, because after this longer consolidation right here, we then saw the strong weekly candle. And we also broke over this last high, because this was the last high which led to a bearish move we made in lower low. So right now this is a very bullish sign if we are closing over this important high. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Jasmy. And again, we just have a market cap of $700 million and the potential to the upside is very high. And if we compare the market cap of Jasmy right now to the all-time high of Matic, you can see that we have a potential of 30x and a potential price targets of 40 cents if we are reaching the last all-time high of Matic from the market cap with Jasmy. And the market cap of Matic at the all-time high was around $20 billion. And I think this would be the maximum price target for Jasmy. So from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 2,700%. Of course, guys, this is just orientation from the prices right now. And of course, 20 billion market cap is a high market cap. But if Jasmy is going to the upside and if the total crypto market cap is growing and just a small percentage flows into JasmyCoin, then I think the chance is high that we could reach this potential. But of course, the chance that we just reach a lower price target is also there. But this is my very bullish price target for the peak of the bull run for Jasmy. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum, then the next really interesting area is this high right here. Because after this high, we saw this massive move to lower levels. So if we can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, I think this is the next really interesting price target. But I don't want you to FOMO into JasmyCoin, because I saw that the pump was coming from a big Binance position. So the chance that some people are just pumping the market and then dumping it right away is there. But I also see a lot of potential in this coin. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Jasmy, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Jasmy. As you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend here on the hourly chart. And for a potential buy zone, I would look at this demand zone right here, because from this consolidation and demand zone, we saw this push to the upside. We also have the last really important high right here at 0.012. So if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think the chance is high that we could see a potential bullish continuation. So I think this is a really interesting potential area to get into a long position on Jasmy. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push into this highs. So the chance that we come into this demand zone and see a bullish continuation is also there. But of course, guys, Jasmy is really bullish and the chance that we directly go to the upside is also there. But I think if we come back into this zone, this is a great potential long area for JasmyCoin. And if you want to buy JasmyCoin, you can go on BingX. You have a large variety of different cryptocurrencies. As you can see, you can trade Jasmy here and you can get up to $5,150 bonus with using my link. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, Jasmy is very bullish right now. And I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. For the long term, I think the maximum potential of Jasmy would be around 40 cents. But of course, guys, this is just a real price target for the peak of the bull run. I don't want you to FOMO into JasmyCoin, and it's always important to have a strict risk management at the cryptocurrency market. So please keep this in mind, guys. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.